make it short, we had a history at Edge Security to be first in Asia to launch the automatic investment or robo-advisory. So we kept this product and we are revamping it right now and putting it into the app. So it's becoming two apps, become a single app. Now we are rebranded under SoFi and we keep two products, investment, direct investment by yourself, and auto investment. So regular investment managed for you, like a wealth manager do for you. But this time it's a robo that do it for you, an AI backend that do the rebalancing for you. So that's the two major products. And then on top of this product, we are very social. So we have a leaderboard. You can see it on the next slide here. We have a leaderboard. We have a community. We start to expand on social platform. You can see the portfolio page with all the listed product stocks you own. You can also buy stocks on margin now. So that's a new feature. And you can also buy stocks on a portion of a stock with a small amount of dollars. And then the way to learn and be better together is the social aspect where you see the trades of other traders. You don't know who they are, but you will see them, what they trade, and you could learn from them thinking, maybe I could trade the same thing. And finally, we launched a reward point where you can earn points every day you log in, and every time you refer friends, every time you do some logging, every time you're just joining us. And there will be more and more campaigns and ways and venues to earn more points, and you consume them, using them to burn them to earn more shares, and transform your activity to be a rewarding activity, basically. And here are some slides about how it looks like for us, what you want to do by a margin. We give you a stock that you can buy on margin and the percentage of margin leverage you can have. So for example, here you can see some stock at 50% margin rate. And also you can see, like, I'm buying a $10 Amazon, so I'm buying $10 of your mother company. Instead of buying the $1,000 plus, I buy just $10. So that's a new feature that is very useful for people who are underbanked or not students, or who doesn't have a lot of money to invest, but they want to start, and they know that this is a high-price stock for a reason. So, but they think it's inaccessible. And so if they were trading with other brokers, they couldn't buy it at all. With us, at least, they have a chance to start to buy a little bit by a little bit and accumulate until they can maybe buy a full share. So that's, in a sense, that's it. We have auto investment, brokerage, direct investment, and then stock bits, and then margin trading, and then auto investment again.
That's really a lot of features, even the community leaderboard, fractional stock, which is really good. And what I can see is these things are really engaging with the customers compared with traditional stock trading apps, and the user experience would be the key. So bringing back to today's topic about migration. So I know a few months ago you have moved your core trading application from on-premises to AWS. That's a big move. So what triggered that move actually?
So good question. The move was triggered because we were just newly acquired by SoFi, and we are SoFi now, and we realized we already face a lot of slowness because we have more and more users connecting. At the same time, the user base keeps growing faster than before, which is good for us, but then bad for our current infrastructure because it was overused, overstretched. So performance were degrading a lot, first reason to move. Secondly, cost-wise, we were at the end of the support of all this hardware, aging hardware, and we had to do something anyway to refresh it. So these two things became at the same time, and we were like, what do? Do we refresh by a new hardware? Same, just replace the existing hardware by a newer and brighter? Or do we shift it to some new technology, redesigning everything, option 2, or we just lift and shift it to a cloud? And we decided the latter.
Okay. So from that situation, as your role is a decision maker in terms of selecting different technology stack, there should be many choices in the market. On one hand, you can do your on-premises hardware refresh, and on the other hand, you can move to AWS, of course. And also you can have a lot of platform services provider to consider. So how do you consider among these options, and how do you drive to a decision that at the end you move everything into AWS.
So as I said, option 3 was selected to try to shift it to a cloud, because we're using cloud already a lot for all of the rest of our infrastructure. And this was the last piece of the puzzle to move to the cloud. Then which one we're going to use? Are we going to use Amazon Web Services? Are we going to use any other vendor on the market? The research took us a bit of time. We did first a planning. So we really studied the how to do it and what can we break directly down to sub-services